Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Python introduction and the setup. So in this course, you will be learning exactly everything you need to know about Python, the basics of Python. And when we walk through, I'm going to give you some practice exercises, some practice codes so that you can practice them using these concepts at the last. So stay tuned. So first, I'm going to give a brief introduction of Python. So before we learn about Python, we need to learn what is a programming language. So a programming language is nothing but a language that is used to convey a message to a computer. That's the only language you do. Like you can't talk to a computer with English. So it's commanding a computer to do something. So there are various types of programming languages like C++, JavaScript, HTML. So this is my first video, so make sure you guys subscribe and smash the like so you might not miss the other videos. So first, what we want to do is that we want to download two varieties of things. First, we want to download the interpreter, and then we want to download the IDE. So why both? Why not just the IDE? So an IDE is something that depends on the interpreter to run the code. So the IDE doesn't work without Python 3.7. And if we want to install anything, we can go to the Python 3.7 pip install something, import something. So first, let's see how we can do that. So first, you want to go to your browser, and then what you want to do is that type Python 4 and your version of Windows, and then the bit amount, which is 64-bit or 34, 52-bit, 32-bit. So my case, it's a 64-bit Windows 7. So it's the same for Mac too. You just go to your browser and do the same. So you click on the first link for Windows, and then what you're gonna do is you just scroll down. If you're just confused with these words, you wanna go here and you wanna click the download button, and it just directs you to this page. So there are some versions, 3.96, but how do you check the version for your computer? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to your command prompts or CMD. I don't know what the name is for Mac, but it's command prompt for Windows. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting Python hyphen version. So you get version. You hit the enter button. It shows 3.89. So what I'm going to do, I've already downloaded it. Just want to search it for 3.9. I've already downloaded it. I'm just going to go to my download history and just see that. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. So I want to click I'm going to run it, and then click some checkboxes, and you need to add Python to 3.8 to your path. That's important. And you want to click install now, and it will be installed. But in my case, I already installed it, so I'm going to give it a go. Cancel it, close it, and you want to download another thing called a JetBrains Python. So it's jetbrains.com Python. So just download it. So you go to the website, and there might be some ads on your web page. So ignore those ads and go to the first link, which is jetbrains.com Python. So I put the link, and then now what I'm going to do is that there are two download buttons. Just free. You can just go professional, which is paid, and you just get a 30-day free trial, but free community is just pure Python. So just get download, Cool. As I told, it gives you scientific web Python development with HTML, JavaScript, and SQL Server support. But in our case, we're going to do for pure Python development. So we give the download button, and you don't give this because in a few seconds it will automatically come in. So no need to worry about that. And I'm going to cancel this because I've already downloaded Python. If you put the check boxes and come back, well and good. So I'm just gonna close this. So if you make a icon for the desktop, it will just look like this PC with some gradients in it. So this is an interpreter which we downloaded right now. It says 33.7. This is the old version, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. And when you do that, you wanna make a project. So I'll be doing that when I'm just going to teach the first part of the course. This is the Hello World course. Now I'm just going to give a brief intro of what is this. This is the main window. This is the workspace over here. This thing over right in the bar here is a project bar, and you just close that. This is your full workspace. You can type anything over here, like any function or any code. So, and this is a run button. This is where you select a Python file which you debug it or which you want to run. So I want to check over here that it's a py file. But how do you make a py file? So you go here and tap on your project name, double click on the project name, get new. Once you go to file, you might want to click Python. You want to click something called, I don't know, testing or dot py at the end. I'm gonna do that because a bit of storage problems with me. So when it's easier to do when you're having, it also supports HTML. It also supports HTML, so that's no worry. So you just want to click Python file. Then you go to Python and you click edit. That's what you do. So enough of that. Let's just end it. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.